most utilities use fossil fuels to generate energy. What do you see as the future, the short-term future of energy companies?
Okay, so that's why they do it. A little support from fiscal policy. Okay, well, I'm not too concerned about this because fiscal policy is either tax cuts or
Everything we do at Sovereign Financial revolves around and is framed by financial planning, which is determining how much money does a client need, does a household need in the short term versus the intermediate term versus the long term.